Hi guys! Good morning! This is Lorna Gawani, known as La Coracha. Today, nandito tayo sa showroom because meron tayong mga hybrid display. So, have a Merry Christmas here at Toyota Makati. Meron po tayong Alphard. That's 4,691,000. If it is Platinum White Pearl. Right, we have also the Yaris Cross. As much as 200,000 po ang ating discount. So this one, ang price na po is 1,690,000. Imagine 200,000 po yung maliles nyo. So ang laki ng savings. So ang laki ng regalo ng Toyota Makati for you. Okay guys, meron din tayong 2026 na hybrid na Active. So this one, ang price na is 1,198,000. Ngayon po, may discount na 120,000 cash discount. For non-hybrid, meron din po tayong binibigay na special discount. Okay guys, meron din tayong Corolla Cross na 1.8G HEV CVT. So this one, ang price niya is 1,514,000. Imagine nyo, bibigyan kayo ng 200 cash discount. So kung maglo-loan po kayo, mag-a-apply po kayo, at kayo gusto niyo talaga, kasi budgeted lang. So yung magiging monthly nyo or yung magiging down payment, napakaliit na lang because of the discount ng 200,000 cash discount. Hi guys! Kung gusto niyo naman po ng sporty look, meron tayong Corolla Cross GRS, 1.8 din. So imagine, no, that's only 1,948,000. And then ang discount as 200,000. As much as 200,000, imagine niyo, yung monthly or down payment, pwede natin siyang i-apply. Hi guys, kung gusto niyo naman ng mga sedan look, no, mga luxury car, pwede tayong mag-avail ng Camry. Camry is 2.5, hybrid din. We have also promo and discount for this. Look at this, 200,000, instant 200,000 for the cash discount. So yun na naman, pwede tayo mag-loan para mas maliit yung monthly natin and down payment. It's up to you kung saan nyo po mas gugustuhin. So, halika na sa Toyota Makati.